tutorial on AutoTrain, and then so AutoTrain it came out like about a month or so ago, and then when it first came out, I tried it out and I couldn't really get it to work, and then so I kind of just put it off, and then coming back to it, it is like I'll never use anything besides this. There's no reason to, right? Like because it's just so easy to train models with this, and then so this is AutoTrain Advanced, and then this is I'm just running it in Google Colab. I have it installed on my. I have a like a Linux Ubuntu box that I have. I just installed it locally on Linux as well, and so that's up and running. But this is in Colab, and then so just really straightforward. It's you just load up the Colab, but there's like you have to get this exactly right, and like every single detail of it has to be 100% right, or else this isn't going to work. And then so that's why I want to put this tutorial together because uh, it can be like tricky at first. So let's start with the like what it says here because it gives you all the instructions, right? And then it's but just literally like follow all of these instructions. So in order to use this Colab, upload train.csv to a folder named data. Train.csv must contain a text column. Choose a project name if you wish. Change the model if you wish. Add Hugging Face information. Update the hyperparameters. Click Runtime, and then report issues. So, very first thing that we want to do is we want to start with our data set, right? And then so I'm coming over here to my data set, and then very specifically, so I'm naming like it's named train, right? Like train.csv, exactly how it is, and then it came out like train sheet1.csv. I changed the name. It's train.csv, and it's got two columns, text and target, which these were initially like prompt and response. I changed these to text and target, and then lowercase, like lowercase t. I've like literally every single possible thing that you can think of. I've run into. Like it has to be exact, and then so hopefully this is if you like again this tool is amazing, but like it's very precise with this, right? So um, train.csv, text and target as the file names, and then all lowercase there, and then uh, coming back here to our Hugging our Google Colab environment. So then, very specifically, like if you start off, like this on the left hand side, you open the folder here, and then it's going to bring up like all of the folders, and then so how I got to um, this content folder is maybe when it'll load. So if it doesn't have all of the folders, you just click up here until you get to all of the folders. Like perhaps it will start here in the content and then sample data, and then so but just click up like click until you can get to these folders here, and then content, and then it's like this will this could be frustrating for you too. So once you get to this content folder here, just new folder, and then you're going to call the folder data, just DATA, and then literally just upload your CSV file straight to the data folder. So you go in, and then once you have your the data folder created, you can click on the data folder and then upload the file straight in, and then that's what you want to do, right? So just do that straight, and then go through, set up your project, give your project a name, and then so in this instance I'm calling it BAT-FI, and then this is I've trained two models on the BAT-FI dataset, the Phi2 model as well as the Mistral model, and then you put in your token information, and then this is hyperparameter, so you can adjust this any way that you like, and this is like quantization, no quantization, number of epochs that you want to run, learning rate, all that good stuff, and then you just hit this auto train button, and then based off of that, it'll run, and then in this instance, I'm setting it'll default to false for push to hub, but so I set it to true, and then by doing that, it's really cool. I go over to Hugging Face, and then I go over to my my space and Hugging Space, and then I go down to models, and then you can see here BAT-FI and BAT-Mistral, and then I can click into both of them. Only bad thing, like I can't use them directly in Inference, because it says unable to determine the model's library. I haven't had this happen before, like with any model that I've uploaded here. I'll show you maybe. It's getting stuck there, but so let's go here. I'll show you because I use like I fine tune a lot of models, right? But um, I always run into quantization problems, so that's why this auto tune is cool. But I don't like that inference problem. But let's see for this one. I mean, any of these should work, right? See, like the see inference API, and then I can do this, and then you can compute it, and then it's gonna run, and then it's gonna load, and it's gonna do all this, right? Like so, it should be doing all this. I don't understand why I can't do all of this with AutoTrain. So there's something going on there specifically, and then so that would need to be adjusted there. But other than that, this is cool. AutoTrain, I like it. You've got all the spaces, and then but when if this model loaded, it's going to take a while for it to load. It would be like not outputs that I want. So I'm excited to test these new models that I've now trained BatFi and BatMistral, and then load it into Hugging Face here. And then even though I can't, for some reason, it won't let me um, use them this way. I should still be able to use them this way. And then just by copying this and then changing the path here, so that it would be Turing Solutions BatFi is where I'll put in here, and then on the tokenizer here, model path, it'd be the same thing. I change it to um, Turing Solutions BatFi, and then same thing, Turing Solutions BatFi down here, right here, and then that's basically it. And then you're all set and good to go. And then if you like this type of content, I will see you in future lectures and future courses. So thank you very much.